Hey everyone, welcome back to the Crypto ZX channel. If you're new, please consider subscribing, but you can tell by the title of the video, we're going to be talking about none other than Dogecoin itself. As far as the entire market is concerned, we had a great start of the week. And, we have been noticing this trend. And if you've been following me on my channel, you guys know we do daily analysis on a lot of different projects. And I've been mentioning that, Bitcoin, the way it has been performing over the past 4 days, to be specific, was setting itself for a great week ahead of itself, and that's what we're seeing happening right now. And I'm sure you can see pretty much every single altcoin across the board is reacting in a very positive way to this Bitcoin move. So as far as Dogecoin is concerned, it's up 7.6% on the daily time frame. But let's take a closer look and see what is happening with Doge, and of course what we could be expecting as we go further into this upcoming end of the month. So before I do that, if you guys are enjoying this update, if you want to see more Dogecoin updates on a regular basis, all you have to do is let me know in the comments down below, of course, by commenting and smashing that like button. It does go a long way. But if we're looking at the price currently sitting at 16.3 cents, up 7.5% in USD comparative. It's also up 1% in Bitcoin comparative over the past 24 hours. Now, if we're focusing on its market cap, it's at $23.5 billion, and the 24-hour trading volume is currently approaching that $1.7 billion mark. But before we go into it any further, as always, just a quick disclaimer. Anything on this channel is not financial advice. Always do your own due diligence and research when you are investing in cryptocurrency. So if you're new to the space, and if you're new to the crypto space, whether it's altcoins, whether it's knowing by meme coins, Dogecoin is the biggest meme coin without a doubt in terms of the meme coin market. It has that first mover advantage, and it makes up a majority of the market cap that is as far as the combined market valuation goes for the entire space. So if we're looking at the entire market cap, we're approaching $60 billion, guys. It's an 11.1% increase over the past 24 hours. That is a huge move, and you're seeing across the board every single thing right now in terms of meme coin is up across the board. It's not just Dogecoin. We're looking across the board. Everything seems to be up right now. So if you were one of the people that were dollar cost averaging in your meme coin positions over the past 1 month, to be specific, a lot of people are up right now. Pretty much if you picked up all the big meme coins, you are up right now. So that is, of course, really nice to see. But as far as Dogecoin is concerned, like I said, it has that first mover advantage, and it makes up a huge chunk of the entire market cap, almost 50%. Let that sink in. The entire meme coin market right now is combined at $60 billion, and almost 50% of that is just solely in Dogecoin. The reason as to why you see the existence of Pepe, Shiba Inu, Dogwifhat, Floki, Bong, Belka meme is all thanks to Dogecoin's existence, and that's just that. But Dogecoin is moving really good. We know what happened in March, but now we're going to talk about whether or not we could see those moves happening once again, which I believe we will see replicating sooner rather than later. But let's take a closer look and see what is happening with the price. So if we're looking at Bitcoin dominance, we did see Bitcoin dominance going down, and if you guys watched my video over the past few days, you guys know the significance of the dominance index, and I've been giving you guys continuous reminders why you want to be keeping an eye out on the dominance, especially if you're an altcoin holder or a meme coin holder. So today we did see Bitcoin cracking past 70K, and of course dominance did go down, which in return has caused a massive green day for a lot of altcoins, as you can see right now. That's a confirmation for us if we're looking at the daily time frame. But if we're looking at BTC right now, guys, this is a thing of beauty. Let's just talk about that. So I'm sure some people did not watch some of my videos. If you did not, so you guys can see we did have a great bounce from the support line. We were seeing some resistance around the 67K, which is to be expected. But as the new week started, Monday started, we saw Bitcoin bouncing back up exactly at the targets that we spoke about in my recent updates, and we are ready to see Bitcoin breaking out towards newer all-time highs. So very exciting stuff for the space. Definitely some good momentum, some good traction that it's building up. And now let's talk about Dogecoin, because that's what everyone wants to know. As far as the meme coin go. As we know, meme coins are extremely highly risky investments, because most of these meme coins, let's face it, let's actually go back down. Most of these meme coins right here, guys, don't bring any utility. And when we speak about utility, literally 99.9%, that's the percentage that you guys want to be noticing. 99.9% of these meme coins bring in zero, literally zero utility. It's all based off of hype, the meme coin mania, the meme coin market heating up. So that's the reason as to why there's a lot of excitement right now. And I've said this to you guys before, maybe in the next 8 to 12 months, 99.9% of these will nowhere to be seen. So of course the gains are to be made, but short term. If you're thinking long term with some of these meme coins, let me tell you guys, need to understand what meme coins are. But going back to Dogecoin, the reason as to why I even brought this conversation up is because Dogecoin has that first mover advantage. It has built up its credibility, and I don't think Dogecoin will ever go anywhere. I think Dogecoin will forever exist in the crypto space. It has stamped that it's for itself, and of course, pretty much understand this, study this. The fact that we're coming out of a full bear market and Dogecoin's still one of the top 10 in terms of market cap projects in the crypto space. And once you realize the actual magnitude of that, really kicks into understand how big of a deal this really is. So that's that. So obviously when you're comparing Dogecoin with some of the other meme coins that are coming in the market, the risk associated to this compared to some of the other ones is lower. But that does not mean Dogecoin does not bring risk. Everything brings risk at the end of the day, and this is where you need to do your due diligence research and invest what you can afford to lose, and of course understand what you're investing in. But if you're looking at Doge's price, we had a beautiful move. Let me just take you guys down memory lane, which is not far away. In February we saw Doge breaking out like never before, retesting this key resistance that we did not see, guys, pretty much since November of 2021. If you want to put this move into perspective, you're looking at 171% move for a big coin with such a high market valuation. But we know what happened. We know what happened for the entire market. In April we saw the price of BTC, especially early May, breaking down to that 58k support line, which was to be expected, and of course the entire market reacted to that. Dogecoin specifically went down, you could say, about 42%. A 42% drop, after having a significant rally, absolutely normal. And of course, that is due to Bitcoin. But what we're starting to see right now, which is really exciting, is the fact that Doge has re-entered into the 78.6 above this key resistance, which I talked to you guys about. And this time around, pretty much since we broke below it, we had two different retests above that, but both were rejections. But this time around, I think this could be different because of the overall momentum for the entire market. We did see a close into the 78.6, which of course has now turned into support. That is really nice to see. And I think the next target that I could be aiming for Dogecoin is around the 18 cents, and I think that's a realistic target to be aiming. But once we cross that, guys, pretty much the next major resistance would be around 19.5 cents, and we're off to the races towards yearly highs like we've never left. So Dogecoin is looking really good. I still do believe that this does have a chance to reach all-time highs. A lot of people think Elon Musk is not tweeting about it, so we're not going to see that happen. But I think completely otherwise. I have a strong feeling that obviously there's a lot of speculation. At the end of the day, this is pure speculation, but I believe that we're going to see more ETFs coming besides for Bitcoin and Ethereum. And I think if Memecoin ETF were to come, I think the most likelihood is, of course, for Dogecoin or Shiba Inu itself, because of just the market valuation that they have and the strong presence in the community. Maybe in the future we will have more, but as of now speaking, I think this has it. When you factor all those in, can really get you exciting. And what I want you guys to realize that if you are looking at from a yearly high, we were pretty much only away about 230% for us to reach an all-time high. When you factor those things in, you can really think how fast this market has turned around in such a short span of time. And I'm very excited to see what Doge does. I'm very optimistic on it, but at the end of the day, only time is going to tell. Do let me know down below what you guys think. Love you all. See you tomorrow in Crypto ZX, and peace out.